How to tell if you have a Whirlpool-made 29-inch electric dryer. The first thing that you need to do is to check how wide the dryer is. It should measure 29 inches from here to here. On the right side of the top panel, you should see the lint filter compartment. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. When you open the dryer door and look inside, you should see the following. On the left side, you should see the heating unit grill. On the right side, you should see the lint filter intake. Close the dryer door and turn the dryer around. From behind the dryer, you should see the following. The exhaust hose connecting pipe, the back panel, the terminal block safety cover, and the controls back panel. If your dryer had those features, then you have a Whirlpool-made 29-inch electric dryer. The dryer will have the following names: Whirlpool, Kenmore, Estate, Roper, KitchenAid, and other names.